In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose Facebook Reel cover before posting 5 minutes. A strong cover image, sometimes called a thumbnail, is the first impression your Reel makes. It's what people see in your feed grid, on your profile, and in the Reels tab before they decide to tap. Choosing it before you publish gives you control over how your content is presented and helps your brand look consistent. Start by heading to facebook.com. Once you're signed in, go to your profile. This is where all your content lives, including your Reels. On your profile page, click the Reels tab to open the dedicated space for short videos. This helps you stay organized and ensures the options you need are right in front of you. Next, click Create Reel. You'll be prompted to add your video. You can either click to upload from your computer or simply drag and drop the file into the upload area. For best results, use a vertical 9:16 video, ideally 1080 by 1920 pixels, so it fills the screen properly. When your video is loaded, click Next. This moves you into the setup flow. You might see basic trimming or audio options here, depending on your interface. Click Next again to continue to the details and preview area, where you can control how the reel will appear before posting. Look for the option labeled Edit Thumbnail. This is where you choose the cover that shows up before your reel plays. Click it. You'll see the option to upload, which lets you use a custom image rather than a frame from the video. Click Upload. This is great if you've designed a branded cover in advance, or if you want to highlight clear text and a compelling visual. Select your file from your computer. A JPG or PNG works well. Aim for a 1080 by 1920 image with any key text centered and away from the edges. Keep important elements within the safe area so they're not cropped by the feed or profile grid. High contrast, a readable title, and a clean background usually perform best. Once the image preview looks right, click Save. That applies your chosen cover to the Reel draft. You'll now see the updated thumbnail in your preview. If something looks off, you can go back into Edit Thumbnail and upload a revised image before you publish. That's it. You've uploaded your Reel, set a professional looking cover before posting, and ensured your content stands out. If you follow these steps each time, your Reels will look consistent, clickable, and on brand. Thanks for watching and happy posting.